Hi guys, I want to show you what I got from ZustBeauty. And first of all, check out this beautiful box. I mean, oh my god. It's like it was made for me. It's a beautiful pink color. Check this out. I mean, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Now let's open this and see what's inside. They give you a nice brochure. Every single time a company sends a brochure on how to use their products, I really appreciate it, because a lot of times you're like, okay, how do I use this? Am I doing it correctly? And another big point is it's not only written, it's also shown in these pretty little pictures where it shows you actually step by step, which is so appreciated. Thank you to ZustBeauty for doing such an amazing job. Now let's move on. I mean, look at the gorgeous colors. So here we have premium vitamin C boosting serum. It has the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it. So they're basically combining two of the best skincare ingredients you can have in a single bottle. So this is like a gold, you guys. Okay, next, I want to talk about this one. I mean, how adorable it is and how cute. Look at this beautiful. I mean, it's so aesthetically pleasing. I absolutely love how gorgeous this is. This one right here is a collagen face cream. It's gonna help you with fine wrinkles and just smoothen the skin and get that more youthful, more radiant skin. Now moving on, we have the roller, and then we have 3 hats, as you can see. And again, I love the packaging. It's so gorgeous. Everything is individually wrapped for you, so it looks amazing. I mean, look at this. The roller has its own case. I mean, are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Look at this beauty right here. I mean, like I said, they did such an amazing job with colors and designs. Okay, so you get 3 hats for the roller. Here's the first hat for the roller. It's the smallest, as you can see. It's perfect for the under eye area and your nose. Moving on to the second hat, and it's perfect for your face and your neck area. And then this is the third one. It's the largest hat they have, and it's perfect for your body. This is the second roller. It's for face and neck. And then go ahead with a gentle pressure, like say medium pressure. Don't press too hard. Oh, feels actually so good. Oh, this is so relaxing, you guys. I just want to lay down and like sleep. Once we're gonna be done with that, we're gonna use the VC serum. Now what's great about VC serum is that it can brighten your skin 6 times than the regular vitamin C. So you might ask, what are the benefits of using Zust Pink Kit, which is this amazing roller, and the VC serum, which includes the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid? Well, some of the benefits are that it improves the appearance of your acne scar, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and stretch marks. The skin tone can actually appear much brighter, and I love that you can actually use it on your face and your body, that they actually included the roller for the body, because a lot of times we're so concentrated on our skin, on a face, which is obviously that's the first thing we see, but it's also so important to not forget about the rest of the body and rest of the skin. I'm definitely going to be using it on the areas of the stretch marks to help diminish the appearance. And now we're going to apply the VC serum. Okay, we're just going to apply a small amount. So I just did small 2 pumps. Now another trick, I'm not sure if you're aware of this trick or not, but to actually, for your skin to absorb as much of the product as possible, instead of just rubbing it in, tap it just like this. Okay, I honestly think my skin looks better instantly. Just look at this, and I'm not using any filters, anything whatsoever. It's just right after I apply the serum. Look at this instant glow. I love it. So we're done with that, we're gonna put on the collagen face cream. Just look at this. My skin looks better instantly, which I absolutely love, because that's what you want. You know, you want the product that you can see the results instantly, but the best results obviously going to be seen with a consistent use, and you can use the rollers 1 to 2 times a week. And again, you don't have to remember everything I said, because you're getting this nice brochure, and it actually tells you how to use, when to use, and all of that, showing you with the pictures and everything. Guys, go check out the ZustBeauty and let me know what you think. This one specifically is Zust Pink Kit, and it comes with a roller, 3-in-1. It has 3 heads. Also, it comes with a VC serum, which has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it, and it also comes with a collagen face cream.